Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. I'll walk you through designing a stunning infographic step by step in Canva. Click the Create button in the menu, then type your text directly into the provided graphic text field. You'll see several options available here. Choose the one that fits your needs. For this example, select Unlimited mode. This setting removes any restrictions and allows you to use all features without limits, giving you maximum flexibility with your project or workflow. Here, you'll see a wide variety of templates available to choose from. Browse through the collection and select the template that best fits your needs to get started with your project. To find your tablature, start by browsing the list or use the search function to quickly locate the one you need. Once you've found it, simply click to select your desired tablature and move on to the next step. Zoom in on the template to get a closer look. This helps you see details and work more precisely on your design. This video covers the market analysis report, focusing on key statistics and industry data. You'll see an overview of important figures that highlight trends and patterns within the market. Use this information to understand the current landscape and make more informed business and investment decisions. You can also create your own projection by clicking the New button. Enter your details, then click Save. Afterward, you can easily edit any of the information whenever you need to make changes. Click the Share button at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. You can choose your preferred file format, such as PNG for graphics or PDF for print. After selecting the format, click Download again to save your file to your computer. You just learned how to make eye-catching infographics in Canva. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more design tips.